Hey, hi दोस्तों, how are you? So Quantum Man is back at your service. So दोस्तों मैंने अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में जैसे कि आपसे शेयर किया साझा किया कि युवाओं में सुसाइडल रेट्स काफ़ी बढ़ गए बट पहले भी होता था और आगे भी होगा। और जैसे कि ये एक हार्श ट्रूथ है, हार्श रियलिटी है कि ये कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग विशियस साइकिल। पास्ट लाइफ टू पास्ट लाइफ का जो इम्प्रिंट्स हुआ है सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे, ये वही कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है। तो इसको अगर ब्रेक करना है, इस विशियस साइकिल को ब्रेक करना है, आपके आसपास में ऐसे कोई आपके फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स में कोई है जो आपको लगता है कि ये इस तरह का सोच सकता है या सोच सकती है, तो आप इसे उनकी लाइफ में इस तरह से उन्हें इसको ब्रेक करने के लिए बोलो। जो अपनी थिंकिंग प्रोसेस है, आपका मेकेनिज़्म, माइंड का जो थिंकिंग उसका द वे ऑफ थिंकिंग दैट हैज़ टू बी चेंज एंड दैट हैज़ टू बी रीप्रोग्राम एक्चुअली। और बट या इट्स इनएविटेबल, when the person comes into this situation, worst case scenario, when they encounter with these situations which is really harsh to digest as per their capacity to handle the situation. So it becomes memory in the subconscious mind, and it gets can carry forward to the next birth. So that's why you have to that's why I'm saying that you have to think consciously. You have to be aware what your mind is thinking actually. Mind is like a machine. Okay, its only work is to think continuously. Thoughts comes and goes like clouds in the sky. So you have to be like a observer, not a mind itself. You just need to observe the clouds in the sky, like thoughts floating and going and coming, and you are watching, just sitting at the mountain peacefully, just looking and laughing. And but you should not be with the mind thoughts. But the moment when you become one with the thoughts, you become victim of your mind actually, because mind properties is to indulge you into the life drama emotionally, and highly emotionally, to indulge you into this drama, so that you get reactions, and you get strapped into this vicious cycle for n number of infinite lifetime, or infinite time period in many pods. So you have to live life like a observer. You are observing your life, but you are not actually your mind and your thinking process. So that is a deep part, which I'm going to explain, but that not for now. So not for now, you have to remember only that you have to be aware, think consciously, and think think as I said, quantum. You might have watched the videos about the quantum double slit experiment. Double slit experiment. It concludes with the idea that there is no particle light. There is no particle, nor there is a the waves. Actually, it all depends on the observer, how it observe. Okay, how it observe at this moment, how he thinks and how he perceive the world, whether light is act as a particle or as a wave. It all depends on observer. That's why the conclusion for in a whole, if we can just get the whole conclusion, is that you must see life events as an observer, and not as a doer, because you are not doing actually. It is doing by your mind matrix, and that's why you feel pain and pleasure. So so uh, when you start knowing those things, because I'm not speaking about the facts and figures and general knowledge, GK books, and not all that. how many states into the country, and how much the height of the highest mountains, and who is the minister, what is the name, and that and these and that. I'm not speaking about the facts and figures. I'm speaking about only about the wisdom, the inner wisdom, the inner engineering. About your mind, your body, and your subconscious mind, your higher self, your cosmic mind, and the universal mind, and how you are connected with that, how your nature is interacting with your subconscious mind, but you are not aware of that. And you are much more intelligent than what you are thinking. Okay, so live life intelligently, live life joyfully, exuberantly, and full of juice. Okay, but that only possible only when you start putting your efforts, knowing your own self, who you are, who am I. This is the one of the quality question in the world. Actually, in the whole universe, this is the worst, this is the most vital, most uh, intellectual question. That question itself is a high reward when you, because it has to come from within. It's not just three words, who am I. It is actually, it has to come from the realization that who am I actually, what is my existence. Then you start knowing what exactly the nature, the surrounding, and you. So you're not just a body, you're not just a mind, you are actually the consciousness, the consciousness which is existing everywhere at the same moment in the any part of the universe. The same consciousness flowing through you, through me, through the plants, animals, insects, birds, skies, lights, space, time, everything. So so suicide is very small part, but has to be it has to be covered by me. So that's why because I've been facing a lot of problems around me. My friends and my relatives, they all have been you know uh, they lost their life just by killing themselves without any, you know without knowing life properly. And they didn't have even have the good experience, deep experience of life, and they just did this because just the conclusion, as I told you, just because they have been programmed in their last births. Okay, yeah. So that is what I actually, my point was to explain why the people, why youth group, they are doing continuously committing suicide. Some failed, some successfully did it, just because of they have been programmed and in this life and past life, and that's why they are carry forwarding it. These all these bad in wisdom, bad experiences with them, and any situation uh, may trigger these worst program, and they just execute it themselves. So so subconscious, you are made up of not just the body and 50 trillion cells in your body. You are actually the whole intelligence within you. And when you are connected with the space and time, that means you are connected with the intelligence, which is actually, you are already into the ocean of the intelligence, that is consciousness. And every plants, even if it is a mango tree, apple tree, banana, or the some spike shrub, or any herb, you are connected with everything, but your subconscious knows it. It has all the level of intelligence. And that's why you do not know how your heart beats, you do not know how you see things through your eyes. So basically, your eyes do not see, your ears do not listen, your tongue do not speak. You know what exactly your consciousness is watching through your eyes. Your consciousness is listening through your ears. So ears and eyes and heart is like a machine only. It it works accordingly, according to the consciousness, what consciousness wants. And consciousness is surrounded by the mind. Okay, consciousness always neutral, it is neutral, but the mind has all the emotions and all the feelings imprinted with all the lives that you have lived. And and that is what memory, and that is what your impression expression in this lifetime, that you are, whether you are singer, you are philosopher, you are a social worker, you are a politician, you are a warrior, or you are a writer, a dancer, actor. So these is all the qualities that has been imprinted with your life time, and that is because of your interest, whether which quality you have, whether you feel joyous about your doing dance, or writing something, or speaking something, or doing some diplomatic, uh, a political, a geopolitical, and diplomatic relationship with the different politicians. So this is all the qualities that is being imprinted in your mind, and that mind takes the help of consciousness. Okay, consciousness to express their inheritance, and that is what we are doing it. So when you are aware of these qualities, that you are a dancer, you are actor, and you are a speaker, or you are the model, so that has, you have to recognize yourself, and then you start living your life, and I bet you will start enjoying your life the moment you know yourself, what you mean for, what you born, why you born. So you have to recognize that quality, and then you start enjoying your life, and the suicide factor that comes, that just fade away. And yeah, uh, that is what I wanted to share with you guys. So guys, so this is not about the facts and figures, you have to experience this. I have realized this, that who am I. You also have to realize and enjoy life with me, quantum man. This is quantum lifestyle, and this is the quantum science of life. I'm a pharmaceutical graduate. I have been you know reading a lot of pharmaceutical, sorry, medical and pharmaceutical both. Pharmaceutical is related to the medicines, and medical is related to the human body's healing and treatments. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll be sharing even more about the who am I actually in the next topic, so that you can come to know life, how to live. The life is not about the facts and figure. It has to be it has to experience from within. It has to realize from within, and that is what I wanted to share with you guys. And hope you see you again. Thank you for listening.